Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch 9 and I'm gonna show you how to edit the controls menu or controls center on this watch. First, let's open the controls center on this watch. To do it, you can wake up the screen on your watch by pressing any of the buttons, and after you wake up the screen, you can press the side button to open the controls center. And here we have it. Basically, you have a bunch of icons on it with shortcuts to different features. And we can edit this menu, we can customize it. To do it, scroll all the way down, tap on edit button, and here we can do a couple of things. We can remove the icons from the list, we can add the icons to the list, and we can reorder the icons. To remove the icon from the list, find the icon you want to remove and tap on the minus button on it to remove it. The icon will appear right here in the more category and it's gonna stay there. And later on you can add it if you want. And to add the icons to the list, tap on the plus icon on the shortcut like this. Okay, and to change the order of the icons on the list, press and hold on the icon, drag it to the place you want it to be in, and then release it. Like that. After you're done customizing the menu, tap on the done button to save the changes. And that's how you customize the controls menu on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.